Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my latest obsession, which are these tiny shoulder bags. So if you watch my channel, you guys will know that I'm so obsessed with these shoulder bags lately. I am all about the late 90s, early 2000s vibes recently. Of course, I'm going to be talking about the two that I already own, but I'm also going to be talking about a few that I don't have, but I really, really love the look of. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of like more affordable options that I found. So if you're like me and you love the shoulder bag style, please hit that subscribe button down below and join me on my channel. I upload videos twice a week all about luxury and my favorite thing in the world, which is handbags. So if that's your cup of tea, I think you'll really like it here. Alright, so I'm going to be first talking about the two bags that I already own. I won't talk about these like too much because if you do watch my channel, you will have already heard a lot about these bags already, and I have made a couple of videos on them already as well, so I will link them down below for you guys if you want more of like an in-depth review. So this is my Gucci Jackie bag. This is the first like shoulder bag style bag that I've bought. I fell in love with it immediately when I saw it in Gucci when I was in Vegas not too long ago. This bag right here started my love of shoulder bags. I thought that, you know, this kind of bag was really trendy and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get along with it, but this bag has completely changed my mind. It's so easy to use and I just love how much that I can carry. Of course, with all of these like shoulder bags, not everyone will be able to carry the same amount, but if you are looking for something that is, you know, a luxury brand and that can hold like a lot of things, this is definitely the bag for you. The other thing that I really like about it is that it's actually really subtle. Like you wouldn't notice that it was a Gucci bag unless you knew like the Jackie style. It only has like the tiny Gucci logo on the front, but even then you have to get really close to the bag to see it. So I guess depending on like your preference and whether you like that or not, that could be an advantage to this bag as well, but I honestly think it is worth the money and I'm really glad that I have mine. Alright, and the second bag that I have is obviously my Prada Reedition bag. This is the Reedition 2000 version. Prada has a ton of these Reedition bags out. This one in particular is the all nylon one, but they do have ones that come in leather. They have ones that have like a longer shoulder strap, but mine just has the one shoulder strap. The reason that I bought this is because I love the trend and I thought that it was like a decent price. It comes in at $895 here in the US, although it is pretty much all fabric except for this little tag right here. So some people might not like that about it, but I really enjoy the ease of use of this bag. It is so easy to style with like any outfit and I've been using this a lot, especially like during these summer months. I think it goes really well with like outfits like I'm wearing right now, and it goes so well with like, you know, casual outfits like a t-shirt and shorts. It doesn't hold as much as the Jackie bag. As you can see, the compartment is a little bit like smaller, but I do still feel like you can fit a decent amount in it. I did do a what's in my bag of this bag. I will link it down below for you guys if you want to check that out. Alright, so let's move on to the couple of bags that I actually don't have. So a lot of different brands are doing this, but one that particularly caught my eye is actually from YSL. Now the reason being is that it's at a pretty decent price point for like being a luxury brand, and I really love the look of it. So the YSL one I've seen comes in like the white color or like the gray kind of color, and it comes in black. There might be other colors as well, but I haven't really seen them. So the price of this one is $1,690. It is less than the Gucci one, but it looks pretty much the same. I'm not sure about like how much it can hold, but because the like clasp is kind of similar to the Gucci one, I think that it could probably hold a lot as well. I also do really love the YSL logo. I'm such a sucker for it, and I think it looks really beautiful on a bag like this. If you are looking for something that is a little bit more flashy but still in the same style, this is definitely the bag for you, as the logo is so prominent and I just really love the way that it looks. Like I said, I don't actually have this bag, so I can't like vouch 100% for it, but from what I've seen, I do really love it. But this is definitely a great option if you guys are looking for something similar to that Gucci bag but don't want to pay as much money for it. All right, moving on to the two more affordable options that I found. You guys know that I've really been loving Coach, and I was on the Coach outlet website recently and I found this really cute hobo bag. And the best thing about it is that it's leather and it's only $164. It is so similar to like the Prada Reedition kind of style. As you guys may know, Coach is such a great brand when it comes to the quality and their prices. They definitely take really good care to make sure that the details of each bag. This bag also features a lot of similarities to the bags that I've already talked about, like the adjustable strap, but it also has like a zip closure as well. So if you aren't comfortable with something like the Gucci bag where it's like a big opening, this bag also does have a zipper so that you can secure your items in there. And maybe you don't want to spend luxury prices until you know that you love the style of the bag. I think that this Coach one would definitely be a good option for you. All right, and then the last bag that I found that I want to mention is actually the Coach 1941 bag. So this one is different from all of the ones on my list because it is not like a hobo bag style. However, it is still a style really reminiscent of like the 1990s to early 2000s shoulder bag. It is actually more similar to like the Fendi baguette, and I would recommend the Fendi baguette because I do really love the look of that one, but I cannot justify Fendi's prices for their bags. I just think that it's way too outrageous. So if you are looking for something a little bit different than a hobo bag, but still sticking with that shoulder bag trend, I do recommend this Coach bag because it is way cheaper, but it can give you the exact same look. This Coach bag also comes in a variety of different colors. If you're a pink lover like me, it also does come in pink, but I have my eye on the white and gold one. I think that that one is really, really cute. I'm just not sure if I need any more bags in this sort of style in my collection, so that is why I personally have not purchased it yet, but it does seem like a really functional bag. The other thing about it also is that it comes with two straps, so there is like a short shoulder one. It's really similar to all of the ones that I've showed you, but there's also a longer one as well. So on the days that you don't want to carry, you know, that style bag, you can attach the longer strap on as well, and it becomes like a different bag. Like I said, I don't have one, so I can't really talk about, you know, how much it fits and everything, but I have seen them in store and they do look like a substantial size. So I think it's a really great option if you are looking for a shoulder bag, but you want to try something different and you want it to be a little bit more affordable. All right, so that was all for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which bag was your favorite in the comment section down below and whether you even like this trend or not. I would love to know. Before I go, I did want to mention July's giveaway. Speaking of Coach, for the month of July, I'm actually giving away this Coach Rowan satchel. This is mine that I currently use, but I've ordered a whole brand new one for you guys to give away. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Please also make sure you're leaving your Instagram username in that comment as well. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram to win. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this one and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?